Hello everybody, I'm Brock Stalke with Skipper Buds in beautiful Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin in the heart of Door County. I'm here to show you the Bayliner M15, which is the newest model that's come out. This boat is 15 feet 1 inch and it has a draft of 2 feet 1 inch, so it's great for getting in and out of shallow water and a lot of smaller lakes. It has a very wide lower base of the hull, which is a very stable ride, great for little kids and kind of when you're getting a little bit of chop, so it's going to stay upright while you're underway. It feels very safe. Moving around to the side of the boat. You get a good look at this full single axle trailer with the swing tongue. It's included in with the boat. And as I take you out to the back of the boat, this boat is equipped with a 4-stroke Mercury 50 horsepower engine. Gets you up to about 28, 27 miles an hour, so it's great for pulling kids on tubes and doing some of those water sports. Let me take you inside and show you the interior of the boat. So now I've got you looking on the inside of the boat. This is a very spacious design that maximizes the entire beam of the boat. 5-person capacity with enough space to be able to fit the entire family, get out and enjoy some time on the water. Sitting at the helm, I don't feel like I'm cramped at all in a 15-foot boat. Lots of space down below the dash for my feet. Very ergonomic design, so I'm comfortable with the throttle in my hand. Plenty of seating in this back area so that you can have everybody with plenty of storage underneath each one of the seats, so everybody has a place to put all of their items while you're out on the water. Up at the helm, you do have a gauge for miles per hour and fuel consumption. You also do have some switches for your running light, your horn, and accessory, and plus you have an inboard or an input for all of your radio, be able to hook up an auxiliary cord. On the side of the dash is where the Bluetooth stereo head unit is located, so everybody that is on the boat can have access to turning down the volume and being able to play their favorite tunes while they're out on the water. Lots and lots of stainless steel finishes throughout, so very, very high level, entry level boat with lots of options, be able to get everybody out on the water. And of course there's the bimini top that's included in with the boat. This boat does have a full cockpit cover that is just currently stowed underneath. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching and taking a look at Bayliner's newest model, the Element M15. This is a 15-foot boat that packs in a lot of features and at a very reasonable price. I'm more than happy to show you this boat in person. Just give us a call or visit on our website and schedule your showing in our heated showroom in person. Thanks again.